Hello friends, if you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. Okay. Today's genetics mark test 2. Okay. Already mark test one video is there. If you didn't watch, please watch it. Okay. In this video, the objective questions are about cell organelles because cell biology plays an important role in every competitive exams regarding agriculture. So you must read cell biology very importantly. Some videos regarding cell organelles also had made. If you didn't check, please check it. Okay. Coming to the questions. First question. The matrix between the nucleus and the cell membrane is known as dash. Okay. Second question. Which is known as powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Which cell organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell. Third question. Which cell organelle is known as transport system of the cell? Fourth question. Which cell organelle is known as suicidal sac of the cell? Okay. Fifth question. The cell wall is absent in animal or plant cell. Okay. I'll give you seconds time. Write down the answers for these 5 questions. These are very basic questions. Sixth question. The function of storage of lipids by which cell organelle? Okay. Which cell organelle is responsible for storage of lipids? Next, 7th question. Which cell organelle is a site of protein synthesis? Next, 8th question. The colorless placids are known as dash. 9th question. What is the other name of mitochondria? 10th question. Which is known as energy currency of the cell? Okay. Write down the answers for these 5 questions. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. These are the important objectives. So please take the notes if you don't know the answer. Taking notes, crisp notes is very important. Okay. Go through these 5 questions. Shall we go for answers? First question answer. The matrix between nucleus and the cell membrane is known as cytoplasm. Okay. Powerhouse of the cell is known as mitochondria. Next, the transport system of the cell is endoplasmic reticulum. Next, the suicidal sac of the cell is lysosomes. Next, important question. The cell wall is absent in animal cell. Okay. The function of storage of lipids is performed by spirosomes. Okay. Next, ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. The colorless placids are known as leucoplacids. Next, 9th question. The other name of mitochondria is chondrosomes. Okay. 10th question. The energy currency of the cell is ATP. That is adenosine triphosphate. Okay. These are first 10 question. Now 11th question. The vacuole is surrounded by a membrane called dash. Next, 12th question. Lysosomes originate from which cell organelle? Okay. 13th question. The plasma membrane contains dash percentage proteins and dash percentage lipids in plants. Okay. How to write the percentage of proteins and lipids. Next, 14th question. Which cell organelle serves as a packaging part of the cell? Next, coming to the 15th question. Dark reaction takes place in which cell organelle? It is an important and frequently asked question. Okay. Dark reactions takes place in dash. These are the 5 questions. Go through the questions and write down the answers. Coming to the answers, the vacuole surrounded by membrane called tonoplast. 12th question answer, lysosome originate from Golgi bodies. 13th question answer, the plasma membrane contains 80% proteins and 20% lipids in plants. 14th question, Golgi bodies serve as a packaging part of the cell. Okay. 15th question, dark reactions takes place in stroma. Okay. Next, 16th question. Chloroplast contains dash percentage DNA. Okay. Actually, chloroplast contains 5% RNA. Note it down. 17th question. The cluster of ribosomes are known as dash. Okay. 18th question. Light reactions takes place in which cell organelle? Okay. 19th question. The endoplasmic reticulum name given by who gave the name endoplasmic reticulum? Okay. 20th question. Rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in dash synthesis. Okay. It is very important question. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Coming to the answers. The chloroplast contain 1% DNA and 5% RNA. Okay. 17th question. The cluster of ribosomes are known as polysomes. Light reactions takes place in grana. The term endoplasmic reticulum name given by Porter in 1953. The rough endoplasmic reticulum involved in protein synthesis. Okay. These are the answers for these 5 questions. Okay. Last 5 questions. Which cell organelle is known as vehicle of heredity? 22nd question. pH of protoplasm. What is the pH of protoplasm? Whether acidic or alkaline, like that, slightly acidic, like that. Okay. Next, 23rd question. The main enzyme present in lysosome is dash. The S in ribosome stands for what? 25th question. The inner membrane of mitochondria is folded in finger-like structure called dash. Okay. These 25 questions are very important questions. Okay. Frequently asked questions only I have given here. So please write down the answers and take the notes. Okay. Don't miss it. Okay. I think you are all following. Write down the answers soon. Shall we go for answers? 21st question. Which is a vehicle of heredity is nucleus. Okay. The pH of protoplasm is slightly alkaline. Okay. The main enzyme present in lysosome is acid phosphate. Okay. The S in ribosome stands for Steenberg unit. It is very important question. The inner membrane of mitochondria is folded in finger-like structure called cristae. This is also important question. Okay. These are 25 questions. And last important facts. That is, chlorophyll A is found in all photosynthetic organisms except photosynthetic bacteria. Chlorophyll B is found in blue-green algae. Chlorophyll C is found in brown algae. Chlorophyll D is found in red algae. Chlorophyll E is found in yellow-green algae. Okay. If you can't memorize this, please keep some shortcuts or clues so that you cannot forget that. Okay. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button and watch other videos. Share with your friends. All the best. Study well. Okay. Please watch other videos too.